everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and today's Friday, so it's time for a new Dollar Tree video to see what's new and popular restocks at the Dollar Tree. I went to 5 different stores this week, and this is for the week of 12/23/22. So let's go shopping. We are going to go to apparel and accessories first. Nothing new there, except for I was able to find more of these long sleeved hoodies, and they only had them in children's sizes. Over in arts and crafts this week, they had a bunch of their rolled fabric. They have a lot of different patterns, also the solids, and a little bit lighter, kind of like pastel colors, but lots of printed patterns. We also found some more of the iron-on transfers. These are the high temperature vinyl transfers. We just did a review video on these yesterday if you'd like to see how they work, as well as these iron-on patches. Those are also in the video. There are some more of these wood heart stands. They're starting to put these out as they gear up for Valentine's Day and Valentine's stock. Some of these large metal Coke lids, or pop lids they call them, and they also have some of their springtime flowers starting to make their way to the shelves. They've got a bunch of their pastel, like yellow with the little balls with the glitter on them. They also have the pink with some of their Valentine's Day hearts and flowers. They have purple. And then they also have blue. Some of them have some baby's breath with them. Lots of different springtime colorful flowers, as you see here. So they are definitely gearing up to put out all the new things after Christmas. For health and beauty, we'll start with cosmetics first. They had a few new hard candy items. They had these out last year about this time, but they've got the Blush Crush. It's a baked blush called Living Doll. That was the only color I found it in for $1.25. They also had the Supreme Dual Eyeliner. It says it's a 12-hour smudge-proof eyeliner. And then they had some of their highlighter palettes. There were 2 different versions with different colors. You get 6 different colors in each pack. And then the Glitter Vibes eyeshadow palette. And it does come with a eyeshadow brush. The hair care items, they had a lot last week, but this week the only thing new I found were the corduroy style headbands. You can get them in hunter green, burgundy, and this mocha kind of brown looking color. And it's the ribbed corduroy with the elastic in the back. For pharmacy and personal care, they had some of these blemish extractors restocked. It's been a while since I've seen these. They sell out really quickly when they have them out around here. I also found a bunch of the loofahs that have the string on both sides. You could stretch them out and then you can clean your back with them. They had them in a bunch of pastel colors like pink, blue, and yellow. Or you can get the loofahs on the stick. They're the hard plastic sticks that coordinate color with the loofahs that are on the top. I found some of these cooling wipes. They also had a cooling mist spray and then a cooling body gel lotion. I also found these body scrubbers. These are the larger sizes that have the handle on the back to help you be able to hold on to them in the shower. Then there were these manicure kits that were the last minute gift ideas in those little boxes that they put out around this time. And you can get them in pink, blue, and purple, and then some more of the star-shaped bath bombs. Over in Fun Finds this week, we found these kids LED flashlights. They change colors. They're really cute. You can get them in a couple different colors. It already has the batteries included. You can get them in like pink, blue, purple. And as you can see, you just put the little knob or the little button up and then it will change colors. And it kind of has this pattern on top, so it makes patterns on the wall. So kind of cute. I think kids would like those. They also had these small compact mirrors in blue and purple. One says Doing My Best. It's a double-sided mirror. And then they have a purple one that says Good Vibes Only in that very trendy font that is out right now. They also had these small makeup brush sets in the blue and purple with the glitter handles. Get 3 brushes in each one. And now for the home decor. They had some more of the Cocoa Melon wall decals. You get 16 stickers on each sheet. It says they're easily removable from the wall, but it has all the characters from the show. and some little additional pieces like blocks and things. We've got the ceramic magnets. They have this one. It says, let your glory fill this house. And then this one here, it says, peace I leave with you. May peace I give to you. Trust in the Lord with the flowers. And then the last one I found is this one that says, I'm with you always. Matthew 28:20. Then I found these wall hanging frames with a silk hanger on the back. It looks like a floating picture, and the little signs that you can sit on a shelf that say probably overthinking everything. They have life is better with friends. The first 5 days after the weekend are the worst, and happiness is receiving what I ordered online. And those are about 2 feet long. Over in the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree, they had these new pencil cases. Those are the little metal tins that they get in. They've got the kind of like tiger stripe looking one here, the pastel polka dots, and it is a light purple at the bottom. They also had the buffalo plaid and the black and white. The bottom of this one is a soft melon. There's also the pastel geometric pattern. And then they had some of the hardboard books, the Fancy Nancy Jr. books. I found some of the mini New Testament. They had them in black and white with the gold trim, which is really pretty, or you can get the full-size Bibles. It's been quite a while since they've had those out. They've had these new planner stickers as they gear up for the new year. They usually put out a ton of planner stickers this time of year. So if you need them, I definitely keep my eye out for them because you could get some really nice ones around this time, even some that they carry at Hobby Lobby from time to time. Over in party supplies this week, they've got these really cute cups with the straws. They look like a milkshake style kind of cupcake. The lid screws on and it's got the hole in the top for the lid. The lid coordinates, or I'm sorry, the straw coordinates with the bottom of the cup, and you can get them in red, blue, pink, and yellow. The top looks like whipped cream with some sprinkles. I just thought these were so cute. They had a whole bunch of them by the different plastic cups they sell in the party aisle. For toys, games, and entertainment, they have a bunch of these little characters from movies. Like they have The Incredibles, Violet. They also have Jack Jack, Mr. Incredible, and of course, Elastic Girl. So all the characters from that movie. Then they have Roz from the Pixar movie. You've also got Sully. And then Randall. Boo. And my favorite, Mike Wazinski. I think he's funny. Over, they also had some of the Toy Story characters. They had Buzz Lightyear, Woody, and then they had Forky. You could also get Rex and Bo Peep. So they had all the main characters, or most of the main characters from that show as well. The seasonal items, they are starting to put out their Valentine's Day items. They've got these bins, which they had last year. They say hearts and hugs in pink, the Be Mine in red, and then Love You Always in the red. These make great gift baskets to fill. They also had the little signs here with the gnomes that say love. They brought back the circle wreath sign with all the different hearts. The Be Mine with the glitter. They also had it in the red that says Happy Valentine's Day. And the round circular signs here with the bows on top that say Happy Valentine's Day in pink. This is the what they look like on the back. So you can see they're kind of made out of that thick cardboard. They have the little red truck. This one here in the pink that says Love You Always. And then the love with the arrows. They also brought back the galvanized metal signs with the gnomes. They weren't all out of the box yet. There's 3 of those. They have these large round signs that have like the floral pattern on them. Just that one was out. And then they brought back these larger like unicorn, a sloth, a dinosaur, and a koala bear. So those are those large cardboard signs also. They have this blue sign that says love you. Kisses 25 cents, and these all have like those gold accents in some of the lettering. The love sign, and then forever is too short with you. I also found the Barnes. They have the love lives here. Home is wherever I'm with you in the red. And then home is where the heart is. Those are the pink ones. And then they're about, I'd say, an inch thick. They're really nice because they can sit on a shelf. They have the small heart-shaped baskets in pink and red. Some of them have glitter. I didn't see as much glitter in the red ones. They also have the large heart-shaped serving bowls. And then the kind of like aluminum style yard signs. They have the 2 trucks. Also the camper that says Happy Valentine's Day. The Be Mine with the envelope. And then a bunch of the hearts in the envelope that says Kisses 25 cents. They also had the cardboard style yard signs that are the gnomes. There are 3 of them. They have a girl and 2 boys. The shelf sitting decor, they've got the mirrored love sign and the XOXO sign. I also found the shadow box pictures. Last year, we had to be careful buying these. I remember that some of the 3D details inside wanted to pop off, and sometimes the pictures were upside down. They also have the boxes that look like a stack of books. Again, this is the only one I found. They have 3 of them, but they were not all on the shelf yet. They have the candy dispensers that look like hearts. You can get them in either the pink or red, and the glass votives with the wood cutout that says love that they have wrapped around the top. And they have those in pink, red, the clear. You could also get them in purple. They have the face and body bars that say love and have the hearts. You could either get the rectangle or the oval, and it says it is rose scented. They are 2.5 ounce bars. The one with the love sign, that one is lavender scented. Then they had the LED kind of fiber optic roses that light up in the middle. There's a button down on the stem that you push, and then the center lights up. And once you push the button, it just stays on. You don't have to keep pushing the button to get it to stay on. There's also the foam hearts with the baby's breath. I found that in red and pink. They have some that have roses with the baby's breath, and then they have just a bunches of roses. Or you could get the potted roses that comes in this little pot, has a glitter rose at the top or heart at the top, and then about 3 or 4 roses in the pot. They also have the foam 6-piece count roses that you can craft with. So you can get the peach. I know this looks like a really pale pink. It could be pink. I think it looks a little bit more peach when you hold it next to the pink, which I'm showing you a side-by-side here. They also have it in the light kind of purple to lavender. They have white. The white has a little hint of yellow in it, and then you can get them in red also. They have their deco mesh tubing in all of the spring colors and Valentine's Day colors. They even have green out for St. Patrick's Day. The galvanized metal signs that say Kisses. I know they have a couple more. Those weren't out yet. They're starting to put out the large gnomes. There's also some new Mardi Gras items. They have the new signs that say Mardi Gras, the glitter that say Let the Good Times Roll. There's also the Mardi Gras y'all and the purple, green, and gold glitter. The street sign that says New Orleans Mardi Gras in the black and white, and then a bunch of new beads. These have the masks on them and the glitter. They have either the regular beaded necklaces in the gold and silver. You can get the gold, purple, and green that look like dice. They have some mini crowns, masks with the just regular beads kind of mixed in. So a whole bunch of those, and then the headbands with the decorative toppers. So they have a crown with a bow. They have the Mardi Gras with the tinsel on top, also a few different glitter crowns and rhinestones, or you can get the 4-count hats. They have the miniature top hats that are in the gold, the purple, and in the green, all for Mardi Gras. A bunch of different masks as well. Over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, which is the $3 or $5 items, they have some more of the resin kits for $5. I don't know if that's a good buy or not. I have never bought the resin before. They also have a bunch of these pouring paints. They've got indigo, forest green, metallic silver. I have processed blue, metallic gold, and these are all 8 fluid ounce bottles ready to pour. There's also the white one here that is the snow black, which is onyx. These are $3 each. They have dark red. Also the kind of orange looking one there, that's coral. And then the purple is the amethyst. And then I also found this light pink. For Valentine's Day, they brought back these large bears. They are $5 each. You could get them in gray or brown. And then the leaning signs. They have Oh Hello with the gnome at the bottom. The welcome sign, it says Welcome Valentine. And then XOXO, Be My Valentine. They also had this $5 grapevine wreath with the flowers on the side. The rose wreath, also $5. The metal truck that says Oh Sweet Valentine. That also is $5. They have the large gnomes that you can adjust the legs up and down. And then these wood palette signs with the sweater heart. It says You Are Loved in red. Welcome in the white and red, and Be My Valentine in the pink and white. They also had these shelf sitting signs that have like some galvanized metal accents in burlap, and then the large signs with the beads at the top that say Home is where the heart is and love is all you need. And that is it for today's video. Don't forget, you guys, we post Dollar Tree videos on Tuesdays and Fridays and DIY craft reviews on Thursdays. The schedule's been a little bit different because of the holiday, but we'll be back to a normal schedule right after the new year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas that celebrates, or whichever holiday you celebrate. I hope you have a wonderful day with your family. God bless, and I'll see you next time.